Today is a beautiful day in the second week since I moved into my new home, and I guess it's a good day for making bread. However, making toast must not be started in the evening. First, put all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. Start kneading the dough. Only by doing it yourself can you truly understand the healing power of dough, from low to medium high quality. While waiting for the dough, you might as well find a book to read. Just remember to check the temperature of the dough. However, making bread late at night is quite rare, just like this elite chef machine for roasting meat. By the time I finished reading, the dough was already kneaded. Shape the dough slightly, then place it in the refrigerator to ferment for a bowl, or adjust the dough temperature to 28 degrees Celsius, allowing it to rise to twice its original size. Now there are chef machines that can ferment the dough by themselves. I don't know when it started, but I particularly enjoy my baking time alone in the quiet of the night. The dough has warmth, just like the countless restless hearts in the night. The pillow emits a floral fragrance, and the sound of breathing rises and falls. Outside the window, the rain patters softly, and the clock ticks away. I believe everyone has their own story of the night, whether gentle or lonely. The fermented dough can be poked to check if it springs back. Then, divide it into 4 pieces, each weighing about 255 grams. After rounding them, let them rest and rise for 20 minutes. Press the dough with your fingers and roll it out with a rolling pin. Release the excess air bubbles, then flip it over and fold it in half. Finally, roll down from the peak. Place 2 pieces in the toast box. Inject into the oven and wait for fermentation until it is 9/10 full. Freshly baked toast. Towards the rapeseed flowers blooming in this season, golden and beaming. I used to worry that I, as a baking novice, would mess things up, but this time I unexpectedly succeeded, feeling a little smug inside. Although it doesn't compare to the appearance of bakery products, the fact that I made it by hand makes it as precious as a treasure. Soft and delicate, like holding a fluffy cloud. A perfect toast must of course be paired with sausage. I prefer this pure pork sausage, which is the perfect match for toast. Being able to have borscht in the morning is something I've been particularly looking forward to lately. This time I won't add any meat. Instead, I'll simmer it with fresh tomatoes and the remaining vegetables. Add milk and season to taste. My sense of smell is very sensitive to the aroma of bread. For example, when I walk down the street, I can smell the fragrance of wheat from 100 meters away. It has also become a habit for me to bring home bread for the next day after going out. There are many ways to enjoy toast, and I particularly like this combination of egg, milk, and sugar. The fusion of these 3 ingredients makes the toast even more delicious. Place the slices of toast soaked in egg liquid in the bottom of a pan with melted butter. The caramel flavor of the toast after the butter is heated combines with the milky aroma. All the deliciousness happens in this small pan at this moment. I have great respect for such toast. Crispy on the outside, yet soft and sweet on the inside. The sense of fulfillment that carbohydrates provide is something that other things cannot offer. Today's sausage is perfectly cooked, with rich meat juices enveloping large chunks of pork, and the abundant fat fills the entire mouth. Although it's breakfast, it's okay to indulge a little sometimes.